Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to focus on Google Sheets. And maybe you have a question regarding to how can I freeze multiple rows in Google Sheets. Google Sheets have a wonderful functionality, and that is that you can control the amount of rows that you want to freeze. Well, let me show you this. Right now we have only one row. However, imagine, let's insert some information here. As you can see, it starts to already control here. But imagine, let's remove our row that is frozen. So we just go to freeze here, and then we say no rows at all. All right. So we've got all the information, and maybe we have here a basic list. I have no idea. We're just going to put some information, yes. And then what is it? The stock manager name, something like that. Yeah, so this is list 1 and John is our stock manager. So we have some more information on top. Yes. So basically what we want to do is we want to hold only this one. And as you can see already, it is very flexible already. By inserting and right click inserting new rows, you can control that. That's really nice from Google, because Excel just don't have that. So what do we really want to do is we want to start here basically. So how do we do this? Well, very simple. We go here to view, select freeze, and then you can say here, when you click here, it says here up to current row number 3. So when you click on that, now if you scroll down, you can see the upper part is now all frozen and everything below is not. Wonderful. This is really nice if Excel just had something like this. Google is really good in implementing and innovating their Excel or their spreadsheet style or Google Sheets to make it really nice. So this is really easy to use, and as you can see, if you just insert new rows more, what happens is the row is moving down. And that is how you can control and freeze any amount of rows or multiple rows in Google Sheets.